Hello, history buffs. Today we're diving into one of the pivotal moments that reshaped the world, the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria. This event, seemingly straightforward, sparked the flames that led to World War I. But how did this happen? Let's find out. It was June 28, 1914. The Archduke and his wife were in Sarajevo. Despite warnings of potential threats, the day proceeded with a public procession. Tragedy struck when Gavrilo Princip, a young Bosnian Serb nationalist, assassinated the Archduke. But why? Princip was part of a group seeking an end to Austro-Hungarian rule in Bosnia. They believed in unifying South Slavic territories, but at what cost? This single act set off a catastrophic chain reaction. Austria-Hungary, furious, sought support from Germany. Once assured, they delivered an ultimatum to Serbia. Serbia's partial compliance wasn't enough. By July 28, just a month after the assassination, Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia. Then, like dominoes falling, other nations were pulled in due to alliances and treaties. Germany, Russia, France, and eventually, Britain and others joined, spiraling into the Great War. Could this assassination have been avoided? Security measures were lax, despite the known threats. The route was published in advance, making the Archduke an easy target. A change in route or heightened security might have prevented the tragedy, but with tensions high and the political climate volatile, a conflict might have been inevitable, though perhaps not on the scale of World War I. So did you find this dive into history interesting? If so, hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful explorations, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Were there other ways this event could have unfolded? Let's discuss. Until next time, keep pondering the past and its profound impact on our present.